Later on in the night, when the crowds have gone, we could talk under moonlight till dawn. We could stay to watch the sunrise, cancel all our plans. We don't need a...
So we have been out on the boat and we are now headed back in. Not sure if it's the time that we'll see. I'm not sure if we're going to see any penguins, but we may see some. This is a penguin swimming. Oh, he's gone under. Oh. Lost him. Okay, let's go back over this side. Can I see any penguins?
Stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Stay in this moment.